Hi students, in definite integration, today onwards I am going to start the definite integration of modulus functions. Let us see one example here. Integral minus 1 to 2 modulus x cube minus x dx. Okay? Let me take this function as f of x modulus x cube minus x. Now first we have to find the stationary points of this function. So let us take x cube minus x equal to, take x common, x square minus 1. So this will be x plus 1 of x minus 1. So what are the stationary points here? 0, minus 1 and 1. Now I will take one number line here. Okay. So 0 here, minus 1 and 1. Okay. You remember the wavy curve method? Uppermost will be positive. Alternatively must give minus, plus, minus. This is minus infinity, plus infinity. Okay? So by using that number line, I can say that this function, f of x function, is positive for all x belongs to, where do we have positive here? Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 open interval union 1 to last number is what? Limit here 2. So 1 to 2. Similarly f of x is negative, where it is negative for all x belongs to. Negative means where do we have? Minus infinity to minus 1, 0 to 1. Okay, where do we have negative? For all x belongs to 0, 1. Why I am taking 0, 1? Because minus infinity to minus 1 we don't have here. Starts from minus 1 only. So here this interval we don't want, because it is not given in the problem. Okay. Now, given function x cube minus x is, where do we have positive now? F of this will be, I will take x cube minus x. Positive value I am taking. Modulus function definition, mod x value is x when x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. Modulus function definition is that mod x equal to plus x when x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. So here x belongs to, where do we have positive here? So minus x belongs to minus 1 to 0 union 1 to 2. Similarly minus of x cube minus x, where it is negative for all x belongs to, or simply we say x belongs to open interval 0, 1. So now I am going to split my integration. Minus 1 to 2 modulus x cube minus x dx equal to, what are the integration limits here? Minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 0 mod x cube minus x dx plus minus 1 to 0, next 0 to 1 dx plus 1 to last number is 2 mod x cube minus x dx. Now where do we have negative here? Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 means it is positive. So we write x cube minus x dx plus 0 to 1 Between 0 to 1 negative. So 0 to 1 we write minus of x cube minus dx plus 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is positive. So 1 to 2 mod x cube minus x dx. Okay. Let me integrate now. Modulus noted here. Between 1 and 2 our modulus function is positive. Okay. Now I will take integration. So that equal to, what is the integration for x cube? X power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. Limits are from 0 minus 1 plus, plus into minus again x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. What are the limits here? 1, 0. Again x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. What are the limits here? What are the limits here? 1, 2. Now simplify carefully. If I put 0 here, we will get 0 completely. So minus 1 you can keep directly. So 0 minus of, if I put minus 1 here, 1 upon 4. Okay, minus 1 upon 2. This is first one. Second one, if I put 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 0 completely 0. Plus, suppose if I put 2 here, 2 power 4 is 16 by 4 minus 4 by 2. Minus of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This I have to simplify. Now what is the LCM for this? 4, 1 minus 2. Here 4, 1 minus 2. Here this will be 4 minus 2, 2. LCM 4, 1 minus 2. So this will be minus 1 by 4 means 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 means plus 1 by 4, here plus 2 minus of minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 1 by 4, so 3 plus 8. What is the answer? 11 by 4. Therefore, integral minus 1 to 2 mod x cube minus x dx value 11 by 4. That is the end of solution. Okay. Let us see second problem. Integral 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x dx. Okay. This problem, what is the stationary point here? Only 1, x equal to 1. So our integration will be like this: 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x dx equal to, this way you can split like this: 0 to 1, 1 minus x dx plus 1 to 2, 1 minus x dx. Right? 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Because we have only one stationary point here. Between 0 and 1, what is 1 minus x? What is 1 minus x? Mod 1 minus x equal to, I can write plus 1 minus x if 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. That means 1 greater than or equal to x. That means x less than or equal to 1. Means if x is less than or equal to 1, our 1 minus x will be how much? Positive. Right? So I can write here 1 minus x dx plus, and I can write minus of 1 minus x when this is 1 minus x less than 0, 1 less than x. So x is more than 1. If x value is more than 1, between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2 means between 1 and 2, if I take x 1 less than x means x is more than 1. If x is more than 1, modulus 1 minus x will be how much? Negative. So I will take integral 1 to 2, modulus 1 minus x will be minus of 1 minus x dx. Okay? So first one is positive and the other one is negative. Clear? So modulus 1 minus x will be plus 1 minus x. As per modulus definition, whenever we have x value less than 1, x value between 0 and 1 means it is less than 1 only, so we take 1 minus x. Okay? So 1 integration is x minus x square by 2. What are the limits? 1 0, plus into minus minus x minus x square by 2. What are the limits here? 2 1. So 1 minus 1 by 2 remaining 0, minus of 2 minus 2 square value 4 by 2 means 2, minus of 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, here 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. The value is 1. Right. Therefore, integral 0 to 2, 0 to 2 modulus 1 minus x dx value is 1. Clear? Let us see one more problem. Same model we will see. Try to understand the procedure, it will be easy for you. Third one, integral 0 to 4 modulus 2 minus x dx. Modulus 2 minus x dx. Okay? This how can we split? Integral 0 to 4 modulus 2 minus x dx equal to, what is the stationary point here? 2. So between 0 and 4 we have 2. 0 to 2 modulus 2 minus x dx plus 2 to 4 modulus 2 minus x dx. Okay? So when do we have this modulus 2 minus x will be 2 minus x if 2 minus x is greater than or equal to 0, 2 is greater than or equal to x, so x less than or equal to 2. X less than or equal to 2 means, so this modulus function will be positive. So 0 to 2, this modulus 2 minus x will be positive 2 minus x dx. Because whenever we have x less than or equal to 2, we can take positive value. So when do we have negative 2 minus x here? Minus of 2 minus x if 2 minus x is less than 0, 2 less than x, this can be x greater than 2. X greater than 2. Between 2 and 4 means it is more than 2, so this function will be negative minus of 2 minus x. You try to understand this. So 2x minus x square by 2. What are the limits here? 2 0 minus 2x minus x square by 2. Limits are 4 2. So what will you get here? 2 2s are 4 minus 2 square means 4 by 2 2 minus 0. Here 2 4s are 8 minus 4 square means 16 minus of 2 2s are 4 minus 2. So here 2, this will be 0 minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 means 4. Therefore integral 0 to 4 modulus 2 minus x dx value is 4. Is that clear? Try to understand the procedure. Let us see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.